show. Jungle show. Oh, look at Zoe. Oh, look at Zoe. Oh, Dad, look. Zoe's fascinated. he's scared of it, Dad. Dad, why are they scared of it?
They're not scared of it.
Then how come he backs up when it's on his pole? Put it on his pole.
Yeah.
You see Callie? Diesel, what the freak are you doing? Ew! Get out. Casper.